Hi there and welcome to the channel. I am here. Today I just wanted to have a chat about a couple of mini softboxes that Neewer have got out. This is the NS1P. It is a standard Bowens mount, so you can put it on any Bowens mount system that you've got. So if you're dealing with the Q6 or any of those, you can use this on here. It is a quick release, so there is, don't know if you can see it, there's numbers. So 1, 1, you flip them first, 2, 2, you flip them, then the other ones, and then it folds up. Okay, to set it up, you just do the reverse. So it is 1, they're a bit stiff when they're new, but once they've been used a few times, they're easy. So 1, 1, 2, 2, and then you just come along and do the ones in between. And I think that's it. So I have got it set up at the moment with just the diffuser. Let's have a little look inside. So it has a beauty dish block on it, so you can have a double diffusion, or you can just have it with the silver reflector. So that is it. So if you're looking for something a little bit smaller and easier to work with than having, you know, a giant 65 or a 95 or even a 120 centimeter dish, then this might be what you're looking for. It comes with, put that aside, comes with a handy carry case, and in that you have the 2 lots of diffusion. There's also a grid in there as well, and of course your little instructions, but I'm pretty sure you can figure out how to use it. It is amazing. So that is the Neewer NS1P. Now for something a little different, I want to show you this one. Now this is the Neewer mini lantern. So it's not a softbox as such, it's a mini lantern. And inside there's a felt bottom on it. Put it here and there's a little, I don't know if you can see in there. Can you see in there? Probably not. So there's a little wire thing that hooks on at the bottom, and that gives you your lantern. So if you're looking for beautiful, beautiful soft light, this is gorgeous. Now, it does not have a standard Bowens mount. You could probably get an adapter, but is designed to work with things like the HS60C or B or the FS60. These have got a little mini connection, and it just clicks on like so. And that's it. You could, of course, put this into a typical, you know, sort of Neewer stand. This is the ST101, and you can pop it in here, and you can put a regular Bowens mount on this, because this is got too many things in my hand. So this is just a regular Bowens mount. But if you haven't got one of these and you just want something for still life, product photography, anything like this, then this little mini lantern is beautiful. And I'll put the code down below. I think it's NS7P. I'll have to double check that, but I will put the code and the link below. So that's the 2 mini softbox options that are available from Neewer. So you've got your standard Bowens mount, and then you have your little mini mount as well. So that's it for the 2 mini softboxes. I hope you found it helpful. They are both really, really great products to use. So it just depends on if you just want a 45 centimeter dish or softbox that you could use as like a beauty dish, or just something a little bit more compact. Or if you're looking for a lantern for your HS60 or your FS60, then this is a really, really fabulous product to use for still life and product photography. You could also use it for portraits too. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, put your comments down below, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.